Today we're going to bring a shallow well jet pump. Now this is going to transfer a lot of water from one place to another. You could use it to drain a pool, you could use it to water your garden, transfer water from one pond to another. This has a lot of power within. We're going to take a look at it, we're going to test it out and see how well it works. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Alright, so let's take a look at the pump itself. You got the instructions, you got a converter for your water hose, all right, and then you have a plumber's tape in case there's leaks. And then the instructions are included too with it too. There's extra instructions, and then they give you little caps so you can cap it out. So the way it's going to work here, this is where you're going to suck in the water, and this is where you're going to drain out the water. But prior to setting that up, you got to make sure that this hose has water on the top too, so you can keep the water flowing. There's an on and off button, water protected, waterproof, in case you're near a pool or something. And then you got your 3-point connection, of course, and then the motor. Who can forget the motor? The motor is going to be the most powerful thing here. Now, just to be aware, this cannot run without water. So you might burn out the motor if you don't have any water flowing on this. So just be aware that you need to have constant water on it. So if you leave it on the pool all day and you come back home thinking it's going to be done, this is pretty powerful. It might be done before you get home. So got to keep an eye on it. So other than that, let's go ahead and take a look at it and see how it works. But also, you drainage on the side, pump on the end, another one here, and then another. This is the actual work. The water comes out. And a handle, a nice strong handle, heavy duty. It's about a couple of pounds. I would say 10 pounds, 10 or 15 pounds. Durable, aluminum, water stainless steel, some of the stuff. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. All right, so here's the pump. We're actually going to use it to drain out a pool, but unfortunately I only have one adapter. There's only one adapter here. You have to buy the other one. So I don't have it. It's going to spill out some water, but we're going to tilt it over so you can spill the water out. That's the only way we're going to be able to do it. Unfortunately, I don't have another adapter, and I'm not going to have time. I checked the stores. It won't be on here on time if I get it, but I am going to order another one just to have to drain out the larger pool, because this one's going to drain out a smaller pool right here in the corner. We're going to see the flow on it. So we did set up this part of it. This is going to be the suction of the actual water. This is going to be draining the water. But prior to that, you got to put some water in here too to start the pump. Don't turn it on without having some water in here. You don't want to burn it out too. So make sure you put water prior to starting the system. So we're going to do that in a bit. So we're going to drain this pond here, this little pool. You guys can see it. I'm going to drain it out. I don't have the other extension for this one. Prior to setting up, like I said, we're going to have to put some water over it. A little water. Either the hose, you have to have water, or the system itself. So we're going to turn it on a little bit. There's the water flowing. You can see it. It's flowing out. Fill up the water. Alright, the water flow is pretty good. If I had a hose, it would be sucking out more water, of course. I'm testing out the water hose here, if you guys can see it. I got it all the way down with some weight, so it's bringing some water. You cover it up, look how powerful it gets for the pump. But unfortunately, I don't have that filter for the other water hose, which is good enough. So wish I had another converter so I could show you guys even better. But it is what it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.